Have you noticed something strange on the Pi blockchain? Every few seconds, wallets send exactly 0.03 Pi to the same address. Is this mere technical activity or a sign of something bigger? The big question is, why 0.03 Pi? Today on Pi News World, let's unravel this mystery together. Recently, Pi Explorer users observed a peculiar pattern. Different wallets consistently transfer 0.03 Pi to a single address. But why are numerous wallets sending Pi to one address? Some transactions occur only seconds apart. This specific amount piques curiosity. Its consistency hints at possible automated transactions, blockchain tests, or wallet operations. One possibility is that this receiving address serves a unique function. No official word confirms who owns it or its purpose yet. Let's look at the timing. When transactions appear so frequently, it points toward automation rather than people sending Pi manually. Naturally, this has stirred speculation among pioneers. Some wonder if this ties to new infrastructure or even mainnet preparations. We must tread cautiously here. The visible blockchain activity is intriguing, but its meaning remains unconfirmed. Thus, we should avoid jumping to conclusions. We can't say these transactions prove new features or exchange integrations are coming. There are many reasons blockchain addresses could create repeated small transactions. Often, it's during technical operations or testing phases. That said, we should keep an eye on this pattern. If this activity persists, increases in frequency, or involves more wallets, we might gain insight into its significance. What if the receiving address starts interacting with major addresses? We could learn a lot from that. For now, crucial questions linger. Why 0.03 Pi? Why so many wallets? What's the purpose of the repeated transfers? Though we lack definitive answers, the blockchain offers pioneers plenty to watch. Remember, on-chain activity gives clues, but clues are not confirmations. This is Pi News World, your go-to for the latest Pi network news, blockchain updates, and signals from the ecosystem. The transactions are happening. Now, we wait to uncover their true meaning. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest.